What you eating? Are those green beans?
Apple.
What's a cow say? What's a doggy say? What's your doggy say? What's a kitty say? What's a sheep say? What's a sheep say? What's a horsey say? What about an owl? And what's a birdie say? And how about a duck? What's the duck say? You don't know? Just quack quack. Can you say mama?
Mama.
How about daddy?
Daddy.
And kitty?
Kitty. Kitty.
What else? Where's your nose? You show daddy your nose? No, you're being shy.
Yeah.
You saying goat? Goat. Very good. Can you say your alphabet? A, B, C, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you say Elmo?
Apple.
And who's Elmo's friend? Is it Ernie? And then who's else? You like Abby? And what do you call Cookie Monster?
Daddy.
Daddy's not Cookie Monster. You call Cookie Monster mmm. And what about the count? Very good.